Hello everybody. So I'm popping in here, messy hair, but whatever. I just wanted to pop in here and say I filmed this video back in May, June. It's now almost the end of December, like it's after Christmas. So yeah, I don't know, but it has been edited. I will give myself that. I just now sat down to watch things through and take things out. So a couple things. My hair is red in this video. Obviously it's not red anymore, but mostly I wanted to hop on here and say that at the time of filming this video, I was filming a lot, and it was really the first time I sat down to start doing this in this house we're in, and I still haven't nailed down the perfect filming location because we are so close to a road, so you do hear a lot of traffic in this. I'm sure you can hear it now. I try to stop talking and cut parts of it out because some of it is pretty loud, but there's some that I just can't get rid of. Like, it's literally through me talking, so sorry for that noise. I feel like I've gotten a little bit better at picking times of days and locations to film in this home to where it's not so loud, but it is pretty loud on this one. Just wanted to let you guys know that. Don't think I have anything else to say, so I hope you guys enjoy this video. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing, hopefully it's a really quick video. I picked up a bunch of stuff the other day from Ulta for a full face of first impressions, and when I was shopping around on their site, I saw that they had this. This is a Makeup Revolution lipstick. I'm not quite sure specifically what they're called. I'll have it listed, but I noticed they had it in Chauffeur, which if you guys have watched my channel, you guys know this Makeup Revolution lipstick that they used to sell in Chauffeur has been my favorite. I try to avoid using it because they stopped selling it for a while, and I made a video a couple months ago about, or a little more than a couple months ago, about how I found the Chauffeur shade in a liquid lipstick, and it's not spot on to the lipstick that I have. It does have just a little bit of a different shade to it, so liquid lipstick and the original lipstick. So when I saw this, I got really excited that they had it in a bullet lipstick form again, and this packaging is really cute. It is kind of like the rose gold like they had here, and then on the top they have like a little lip. I have not swatched it, really compared it to this one, so that is what I'm going to be doing today. I'm just gonna kind of jump into it because I really don't want this to be a long video. So here is the old lipstick right here versus this new one. Looking at it, the new one looks a little warmer than the old one does. It kind of looks like the liquid lipstick shade. Just touch my nose. This has always had one of those, like, not really sweet scents, but sweeter vanilla-y scents. This one doesn't have that at all. So I guess the best way to do this is to, let's just swatch it and put it on my lips. So I'm gonna first swatch it next to the lipstick shade. It doesn't feel as creamy. Oh yeah, it does kind of look a little warmer than the original. Let me swatch it next to the liquid lipstick. So it looks a little bit more orange, like an orange undertone than the original. The original has kind of like a muted pinky brown type of tone. I love it. It's like my perfect nude color. This one is more of a purpley color. It has more purple undertone mauve to it, but this new lipstick is definitely warmer and definitely more has an orange tone to it. And it's not as soft either. So let me see. Yeah, it's definitely not as smooth feeling as the other one, and I think it's a little bit more mattifying. So I'll have to go back on the website because I know when they used to sell these, they had different formulas, like they had satin, matte, a bunch of different formulas just with the same shades. And I think the one I have is satin, but this doesn't feel as smooth. And by the way, I'm in the middle of filming a different video. It's for my eye look. It's using the Solalooks Charmed palette that I got for my birthday. I don't know which video will be out first. I'm pretty sure this lipstick video will be. So these are the Makeup Revolution Satin Kiss lipsticks. They just don't feel as creamy and soft as, like I said, as their original. Still sell their Renaissance bullet lipsticks, but I don't think Chauffeur is one of the shades in that. If you guys have followed me for a while, you guys know my stance on Makeup Revolution, specifically when it comes to certain products of theirs, like liquid lipsticks and stuff. It's comfortable. It's a really pretty color, but it's not the same shade. And this specific shade, the way this is, it just looks so good on me. It's like the perfect nude. This is just a little too warm toned for me. Like I said, I would just really prefer this lipstick shade. I mean, the liquid lipstick right here is a little bit closer to color to this one, but this one is just still a little too purple, and it does dry down really to a deeper color. And then these are just too warm. So I will just have to keep hunting for different shade or different types of their lipsticks in the same Chauffeur shade, and hopefully I can find the perfect one. For now, for this, I'm just going to add what I would normally add on top of my Chauffeur liquid lipstick, which is the Ultra Glossy Lip, the Kathleen Lights collab with ColourPop and Moonchild. Hopefully this will kind of take the warmth down a little bit too. I hope you guys enjoyed this really quick video. I don't know if I will ever stop making videos about this lipstick. If you guys do enjoy it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel before you leave. Also, turn on the notifications so you'll be notified anytime I post a video. I don't think I have anything else to say, except I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you next time. Bye.